I will show you how I built an NFT project from scratch, and believe me, it's not as simple as you think. How's it going, lads? My name is Lucas and welcome to the multi-billion-dollar studio, the one you might never heard about. Today, I'm working on a new users project. I'm creating an NFT engine where I can generate random images and push them to a blockchain and create a smart contract with it. So maybe you might be asking yourself why I'm doing this. And the reason is just one, proof of concept, and I explain it to you. At the beginning of 2022, I decided to make a bunch of small proof of concepts to understand the technologies I wanted to use on my new startup, ClusterStack. And if you don't know ClusterStack, I recommend you to watch my previous videos where I show more or less what I'm doing. To summarize, ClusterStack is a one-stop shop application for immigrants where you can have access to information, recruitment services, and visa process. Before I start to master ClusterStack code and see the technology won't work with it later down the project, that would be a waste of time, more than already is. So, it would not be better to make an effort to create a POC before I decide to use them on my company? The answer yes, definitely yes. That's why this NFT engine exists, where I can generate SVG images and push them to a smart contract. I've started this POC before I record this video, and there are a series of reels I make on Instagram. You can check the progress of this project there, so links are on the description. And I don't believe I'm gonna show the full project working right now because there is a lot of stuff to do. So maybe Thursday I will release a new video showing how is the project fully completed. So let's go to the layout of the project here. So as you can see here on the screen, I have a Miro account where I draw and design a little bit how the project will work. So first we have the project divided in two parts. So you have the front end and the smart contract. So you can see here the front end is the part where we have more development because we need on the front end to connect all the bits and bobs the application needs in order to fully deploy and maintain NFT. So let's go here first to the beginning of the front end. What we do first, we check if the user have a MetaMask account. If they have a MetaMask account, the application gonna ask the MetaMask for connection, and you can connect the application with your MetaMask account, meaning your wallet. So after that, we go to the application through the index.js, and in index.js we have a get server side props where we generate the random images. So this random images is a pack of SVGs where it returns a random image we're generating as well its properties. So when it returns the properties, we render on the ClusterStack, and on the ClusterStack we're gonna put a link there where when you choose one of the NFTs, you're gonna be redirected to the mint.tsx. On the mint.tsx, when you choose to mint the NFT, what we're going to do is we're going to push your file to IPFS. When you push in IPFS, you're going to return a hash, where on this hash we can add as well the properties we got from the random image generator. And with these properties, you're going to generate a metadata, and this metadata is going to send it back again to IPFS and get this new hash. This new hash is gonna be your NFT. So on this NFT, we're gonna connect with the MetaMask, and then we're gonna start the process with the smart contract. You see here on the smart contract, I developed the Faces NFT Solidity contract, and I build and compile with Truffle. So when I build the NFT, we create this Faces NFT JSON, where it's gonna be the file where MetaMask gonna pass instructions to connect with my network and then run the smart contract. So what it does, what Truffle does here, Truffle is the compiler where it compile the smart contract and send it to the network you're choosing. At the moment I choose Ganache, because it's just like a testing network, so you can do this on your own machine. So it works like a local environment to test your NFT project. So then here on Ganache, I have deployed the smart contract. So the smart contract is living inside there. What we're doing here now with the MetaMask, we're connecting the Faces NFT JSON to combine, to sync with the smart contract in the network, and then we can send the NFT to the network through MetaMask. So that's the whole process at the moment. So of course, there is a few bits I need to do on the front end right now. So for example, the IPFS part, there was a problem, and actually it is the main problem that the application of Verso is not running. For example, I was using a package called IPFS Core, and this IPFS Core needs Node.js 16, and there is a compatibility issue with Verso that's only used until Node.js 14. So I'm changing the libs right now, and they're going to change how we're going to do this call to IPFS. So guys, that's it for now. I will post another video on Thursday where I'm gonna finish this project. That's the deadline I put to myself to finish it. So whether it is working or not, that is the last day, and then I will work on a new proof of concept. So if you guys have any idea, you can just comment down below which other project I should work with. And the whole idea of this proof of concept was to understand how to connect with smart contracts, how to connect wallets, how this decentralized world works, developing a full stack application. Well, it's kind of one stack application, but you got the gist, right? Okay, so that's it for today, and see you on Thursday. Bye.